The concrete cage, you live in a smart apartment, you work in a high-tech office, and you commute through a city of steel. So why do you feel like a caged animal? In 2026, Americans are participating in the largest migration in decades. Moving away from major cities toward the wilderness, it's not just about lower rent. It's about a psychological breaking point called nature deficit disorder. Our brains evolved over millions of years in green spaces, but we've spent the last century in concrete boxes. Today, we're decoding the science of biophilia and why your brain is literally begging you to go back to the woods. The prefrontal cortex and attention restoration. Cities are a constant assault on your prefrontal cortex. The sirens, the traffic lights, the flashing ADSDs are all direct attention demands. This leads to directed attention fatigue, leaving you irritable and cognitively drained. When you step into nature, your brain switches to soft fascination. This activates the parahippocampal gyrus, a region that processes scenes and environments. In nature, your brain doesn't have to fight to focus. This is called attention restoration theory. Just 20 minutes in a forest allows your prefrontal cortex to reset, boosting your creativity and problem-solving skills by nearly 50%. The amygdala and the acoustic environment, we often ignore the sound of our mental health. Cities have a constant low frequency hum, air conditioners, engines hum, of the grid. This keeps your amygdala, the brain's fear center, on a low-level alert status. You aren't relaxed even when you're sleeping. Psychologists in 2026 have found that fractal patterns, the shapes found in trees and clouds and natural soundscapes, running water, wind, actually lower the electrical activity in the amygdala. By leaving the city, you are physically turning off a survival alarm that has been ringing in your head for years. The circadian reset and serotonin. The USA 2026 migration is also about light hygiene. Cities are flooded with blue light, 24/7, which suppresses melatonin and confuses the suprachiasmatic nucleus, the brain's internal clock. This leads to chronic sleep issues and brain fog. By moving to rural areas, Americans are realigning their circadian rhythm with the sun. This natural light exposure increases serotonin production in the morning and melatonin in the evening. You don't need a biohack or a supplement. You just need the sky. We are realizing that high performance isn't about the latest app. It's about the oldest environment. The great return. We spent centuries building cities to escape nature, only to realize that nature is where we actually belong. In 2026, the ultimate status symbol isn't a penthouse in New York. It's a cabin with a view and a stable Wi-Fi connection. You aren't quitting the world. You're just returning to the one that was designed for you. If you're dreaming of a life closer to the earth and further from the noise, hit that subscribe button and join our community of modern nomads.